Hi, this is Matt again, just showing you how we put our graphic decals on in a stripe. Sorry that cut off. Again, we put it up, leave our knife here, swing this up, make our cut, bring it back down, come over here, pull the graphic without moving the blade, make our snip, take it out. Okay, now I'm going to put this decal on. It comes on a carrier paper too. Sometimes it might not want to come up. As you can see this, the carrier paper, you want to pull the graphic off the paper. So, give it a good rub. Sometimes it's still being obstinate. You just press it like so to get it started on the carrier. That's what we do, and then it'll come off. Okay, so again, it doesn't want to come off. Just work it a little with your thumb and get it started, then it'll come off. Try not to handle it too much. And so now I put it up here. I'm watching the left side, I'm watching my right side. I line it up where I want it. Okay, you press one side down. In this case, I press the right side down. I'm going to watch and make sure this left side stays in the center. It's centered. You can put a piece of masking tape under. That works great. Okay, so now what you do is, I've got the left-hand side of the graphic up, so when I'm taking my thumb and I'm moving across, I'm driving the air out. It's got some place to go if you leave this up in the air. You don't just lay it down and press it, it'll have bubbles. So you lift it up and slowly drive the air, leave a place for the air to escape, okay? Rub it down, pull your carrier down at a 45-degree angle. I mean, you can go this way, but it just seems to work better, not want to pull anything. 45-degree angle, okay? Press it down. There you go.